Hey friends, and I welcome all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Legdora reviews, and this website does not belong to us, and we are here to give you an unbiased review, and so that you can get the idea that should you buy the products from this site or not. Also, if you have any queries regarding the return and the refund, you can click on a description area to find the links and also find the way to get the money back. So let's proceed further and know more about Legdora reviews, and let's see why it is grabbing a lot of attention, especially in the United States. So as you can see, it has the clothings, and if you just have a look at this colorful shirt, it's for 2207.16, and otherwise its original price was 3605.49. Also, they have sweatshirts like this pink color. Sweaty shirt is for 2869.52 rupees, and its original price was 4709.43. So it has discounts. Let's click on this dress and let's find out that what exactly is the properties and the specifications. Now you can see this dress is available for 2648.73, and they also have a size chart and the description. So guys, this is what is all about the dress, and let's find out about the mode of payment. So when you add this product to the cart, you are led to the checkout option. So basically the mode of payment is not present there and then, and you really need to go inside and you need to check out, and it's found that they have variable mode of payments. Now let's find out about shipping. On the top they have written that they provide free shipping over $79, and also there's a coupon code. So we can also just scroll down and find out if there is a link. Yes, there is a link of shipping and delivery. Let's click on the shipping and the delivery link. Here they have mentioned that the shipping time depends upon the method, like free shipping for order above $79, postal shipping 35 business days, express shipping 35 business days. Now we are going to move ahead. So before going further, I request you that do like, share and subscribe, and we are going to come up with the legitimacy checkpoints and find out about it. So this website has secure HTTPS protocol, which is a good sign. Then its website age was found, and it's found that it's been registered on 17th January 2021. Now this is a bit of the I would say not so good sign, because it's just been registered, and it's just 1 month ago. Now let's check its about us page. So here they have the about us page. You can just click on the link and find out. They mentioned that this did not exist until 2015. So basically legdora.com, maybe it has been registered on 17 January, but this site has been since 2015. They have mentioned about the factory, and you can just scroll down. Then let's click on to the contact us page and find out the information regarding the company. So they have given that you can contact them. Their email ID is given, legdora@dowell, and mail.com. You can also fill in your details. Now let's click on to the return and the exchange. So they have mentioned they have 30 days easy return and exchange. Guys, if you have any queries regarding the return and the refund, you can click on the description area to find the links, and also express your opinion in the comment box. Now let's check out its social media presence. So guys, they are available on Facebook and Instagram, and these are clickable. And I would like to say that on Facebook, though there are 48 people who are liking it and 53 people following it. but I would like to say that within less time they do have posts and social medias, and talking about the website content quality also, their website content quality is quite good, and the images used are also genuine, and they have each and every link and the details provided, only that the owner name and the address is missing. Now let's check out the customer reviews, guys. To my surprise, the Legdora .com has good customer reviews. Now this is basically found on various search engines, and they have people who said that they bought some clothes from Legdora as gifts for the friends, and they are among the best decisions. Girls are both happy with the staff. Then there are some reviews on the other sites as well, like A3 review is one of the site which gives reviews, and here there are 11 reviews and it has 4.8 stars, and people write that they would recommend this site, value for money, great buy, with 4 and 5 stars. So the customer reviews are quite good. So on the basis of all the legitimacy checkpoints, guys, I would claim Legdora.com, though it's a very recent website, but it seems to be a legit one and people are buying it and recommending it. So you can go for it and buy the products from here, and also share your experiences in the comment box. And if you have any queries regarding return and the refund, you can click on our description area to find the links to get the money back. So guys, this is all about this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.